To save her kitten, a poor mama cat begged humans for help. I couldn't stand it anymore and quickly helped the mama cat. She begged me to follow. And this is what I saw. Poor little kitten. Mama cat loved her so much. After several hours of travel, we finally arrived at the hospital. After settling them for a few weeks, I was going to release them back, but they didn't want to leave and wanted to stay. So I took them in, and then I have this lovely and cute cat. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.